Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a monthly beauty subscription box comparison video for you. That's quite a mouthful, I will say. And if you watch my videos or are subscribed to my channel, you know that I've been a subscriber to Birchbox now for probably coming on 2 years. I think it's either just over or coming up to 2 years. I can't quite remember, but if you don't know what a beauty subscription box is, it's a little box that you get once a month, and it's full of minis of makeup or beauty products. They do hair products, skin products, anything beauty related, and they do miniature versions of them and almost like little tester versions, so you can test the products out, and then if you do like them, then you can go on to buy the full sets. So a Birchbox is $9.99 per month, and I think it's $2.95 postage, so I pay $12.95 a month for a Birchbox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare that, and then I'm going to compare it to a Glossybox, which is another one, which is £10 a month. I can't remember the postage on that one, but I've just got this month my first Glossybox, and I want to compare the both. So the first one I'm going to show you is my August Birchbox. This is the beautiful box that it comes in. I love Birchbox boxes. I've got a massive pile of them just down by the side here, and they're little drawers. Sometimes they're a box, sometimes they're a little bag, sometimes it's something different. And then what you'll get is 5 products, and you'll get one full-size product every month. So first thing that I'm going to pull out, this box smells absolutely bloody lush, and I think it's because of this thing. This is by Anatomicals, and it's a Scrub Tropicana Coconut Body Scrub. This is what it looks like, and it's 50ml, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's like it's just a beautiful coconut smell, and I'm actually quite excited to try this out. If you want a full-size version of this, it's only £1.50 for the. Oh no, this is the full size. Oh, so in this box I've got 3 full-size products. This is a full size of this, and its retail price is £1.50. So I think you go onto the Birchbox website, you can get a certain discount off the Birchbox shop, and then if you're a subscriber for more than 6 months, you then get another discount. Maybe is it 15? I can't remember. It was such a bad memory. But yeah, like I just want another smell of that. Next thing is this by Nukes or Nux Paris. Nukes, I'm gonna say. This is obviously a mini version of it. It's a detoxifying and glow mask. This is 50ml, and for a full-size version of it, it is £19.50. Ooh. Oh. So it's literally a black liquid kind of mask there to put on your face. Detoxifies skin without any irritation. This mask purifies and illuminates your complexion in no time. So I'm definitely looking forward to using that. I might actually use that around maybe my T-zone section for my pores. These like black masks are pretty good for things like that. Next thing is it's a tester size of Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, if I've said that word right. That's what it looks like. Plumping mist. This superfine mist blends hydrating and plumping hyaluronic acid with soothing chamomile water in a tropical potion that improves skin with every spray. Use it to revive your makeup in the afternoon or calm your complexion after too much sun. The instant shot of hydration will leave you looking brighter and healthier. Oh, I'm actually really intrigued with that one. Smells nice as well. I could do with a bit of a makeup boost So I might actually take that to work with me and see how I get on with that one in work. Now the next thing is a full-size version. Now this I am actually really quite excited about, and I probably could have used that on this on the look today because I was looking for a highlighter. This is by Model Co and it's a Mermaid Glow highlighter. Look at it, it's so pretty. So that's what it looks like there. It's so pretty. Yeah, so this actually, this is the full-size version like I said, and it's 2.8 grams, and this will retail for £10. Ooh, I'm not going to stick my finger in it yet, only because I've got something else to use with it, and it's the last thing that I've got in my box, and it's the most surprising thing because I wasn't expecting this. I didn't realize it was going to be in this month, but it's a mini travel size Spectrum brush, and it's their mini Spectrum fan brush, as you can see. I have got many Spectrum fan brushes. These are just 2 to name a few. Oh no, that's not even I don't know why I just did that. These are just 2 of them, just to name a few. I think I do have 2 or 3 more. I don't really use them that much, the fan brushes, but this one is beautiful because it's tiny. I know that Spectrum haven't long released their little travel bags to take with all the mini versions of the brushes so you can take away on holiday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. I'm actually going to put it on my cheek, I've decided. So I'm just going to pop that in there, like so. Not a lot. And then I'm just going to maybe I'll do that. I'm gonna get my mirror because I can't see that far. Oh wow. Oh yeah. That's a definite highlighter there. Yeah, so I'm actually quite happy with that one. And I definitely, like I said, I'm not a big fan of like fan brushes as a highlighter. I prefer just to have like a little highlighter brush. But this one is perfect for going away with and super wanting to save a bit of room as well. It's a good space saver. Right, this here is, like I said, it's the full-size version because it's from their new travel collection. This one is from the Marble collection, and this retails for £4.99. So yeah, like I said, really happy with that. So that is the August Birchbox. Now I'm actually, because I've already opened that and I've actually seen what's in there before, this is the exciting one now because I haven't opened this. This only arrived today. So this is it. This is their birthday box. I nearly subscribed to them a couple of months ago with Steph Toms had done a video, and she got a code where you could get 30% off, and I nearly did it and I held off. And then everybody's been buzzing about this birthday box and that it's got a Huda Beauty lip product, and I've been dying for something from Huda Beauty because I don't have anything, as they are quite expensive. And then I got an email from Glossybox which said that if you enter the code surprise in uppercase, all in uppercase surprise, you will get a surprise discount off your box. And the surprise discount that I got was £3.20 off the box. So that's better than 30% off, just about. And I thought, I don't think I'm really going to get much better than that. So I thought, what the hell, I'm going to try it. So it came now, and we're going to open it together. That's just to prove that we are opening this together. It's so pretty, look. So this is what it looks like. This is the birthday edition glossy box. As you can see, it's so pretty and so iridescent. Shall we open it? Shall we? So you get to see what's in it at the same time I do. You just have to bear with me. Oh, cute. It's got like a little bow on it there. It's wrapped in tissue paper by the looks of it. Ooh. subscriber exclusive. Your priority access to buy the 2019 Advent calendar begins Friday the 6th of September for just £70. What? This is Advent calendar is even bigger and better, worth over £370. It's filled with 25 of our favourite makeup, skincare and hair products from some of our most loved brands. Chloe, Dermalogica, Tarte and NYX. Oh my god, they shouldn't have given me that. £70, that's still a lot of money. Ooh, so I'm not gonna look at this because I kind of, oh my god. I'll tell you what, I love Birchbox boxes. I do love them so much, but the effort that's gone into this, whether this is every month, I do not know, but this is just beautiful. Okay. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty bloody excited about this. I've got a razor and a lash curler. What is this box? Look. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down now. So, oh my god. So I've got Wilkinson Sword Quattro for women, 4 ultra thin blades, 4 oh no, that's a different language. Can I just, okay, this box all in all, oh, okay, this box all in all costs £9.95, and that's including postage because I did get, I think £9.80, sorry, £9.80 I think it was, because I did get the discount. Oh my god, I'm going to show you, look at this. Look. The quality of this is even better than the Birchbox. Oh my friggin' god. Can I just say, like, I love Birchbox and this isn't me switching. God forbid. It's very tempting, but it's not me switching because Birchbox do 2 of my favourite brands, and that is Benefit and Spectrum. And I just don't know whether or not I could live with myself, whether or not I missed out on something as good as that. So, oh, I'm just opening away. These are the Fur Rose Gold Lash Curlers. Now, I don't use lash curlers because I find that they do kind of ruin your lashes a bit, but I might have to give these ones a go. So this is what they look like. Rose gold, love it. Beautiful. Chink chink. Eye therapy, Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask with collagen and green tea. Nice. Bloody love these things. Love a good eye mask. Next is Bang Beauty Felt Tip Eyeliner. That's what it looks like. Again, it's iridescent. Let's get it in. Oh, cute. Too much packaging already. Annoys me. Unnecessary plastic waste, that is. Anyway, it's thin and it's black. Wow, that was a straight line, not. Look at it. It's so nice. Feels really nice as well. It feels like, it doesn't feel cheap. I'm excited about that one, but not quite as excited. So the last thing in the box is the Huda Beauty. So this is what it looks like. It's bloody lush. Obviously I'm not going to put it on now because I have some on, but I will be using this in a video for sure. But we'll put it on my hand. Can you see it there? Maybe I'll put it as like a lip topper. Oh, nice. Can you tell? I can see it. It's got a really nice like gold tint to it. So yeah, I am so happy with that. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. I'm stoked with those items. I don't know if I'm more excited about the Huda Beauty or the razor. I'm pretty stoked about the razor, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know that was gonna be in here. I'd heard about the lash curlers and the Huda Beauty, but not the razor, so very happy with that. So that's the video for you. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you did enjoy the video, then please comment down below. I really would love to know whether you get either of these subscriptions or which one of these is your favourite. Definitely give me your thoughts on the August boxes as well and the products that are in them. I think my favourite has got to be that Huda Beauty and the Wilkinson Sword razor in this one, and in the Birchbox it's got to be that highlighter for sure. That scrub smells bloody delightful as well, and the mini spectrum brush is perfect for that highlighter. Yeah, so pretty chuffed with them, not gonna lie. So like I said, just comment down below, let me know your thoughts please, because I would love to know. And also if you've got any other suggestions for any of the monthly boxes, I might do some more videos on them, because that was a lot of fun, not gonna lie. I've got something really exciting coming up for you, because I have today, as today was the release date of the Morphe X Jeffree Star collection, I have purchased the Jeffree Star palette, so that will be coming soon and there will be videos to follow. So subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I do upload 2 videos a week. I do try and do that on a Wednesday and also on a Sunday, but those days do vary. Follow me on my Instagram account, which is here. I'm pretty much on that daily. And also follow me on my Twitter account, which is also just by there. I think I'm pretty much on that daily these days as well. So until next time guys, take care.